Hop, line graph. The graph below shows the consumption iste'molini in production ishlab chiqarishini of sugar. Shakarni 1000 tonnalarda Hindistonda in India 2001dan 2011-yilgacha. Hop, birinchi o'rinda boshlashdan oldin kelinglar the line graph introduction yozaylik. The line graph illustrates changes in the production and consumption rates of sugar in thousand tons in India. Between 2001 and 2011. Demak, line graph illustrates namoyish qiladi o'zgarishlarni changesda o'zgarishlarni ishlab chiqarish va iste'molida rates of darajalarida of sugar shakarni in thousand tons 1000 tonnalarda Hindistonda between 2001 va 2011. Hop, from the to'ga paraphrase qilyapman muddati between from. Hop, endi overview yozish uchun overview bu yerda ko'p ma'lumot yo'qdek ko'rinishi mumkin. Sababi bizda 2 dona line xolos. Sugar production ko'k holatida, sugar consumption qizil holatida. Lekin umumiy tushunadigan narsamiz bor. Both categories, ikkala kategoriyalar ham increased, o'sdi muddat davomida. Chunki sugar production 25 ga yaqin boshlangan, 30 ga yaqin tugayapti. Sugar consumption 20 dan ozgina tepada boshlagan, 25 dan balandda tugayapti. Demak, ikkalasi ham umumiy holatda o'sdi. Bu menda birinchi first key feature bo'ladi. Asosiy ma'lumot. Xo'p, bundan keyingisi yana nima yozishim mumkin? Buni o'zi bilan cheklanib qolsam bo'lmaydi, to'g'rimi? Key feature. Keyingi narsa sugar production bizda sugar consumptiondan sal balandroq bo'lgan, to'g'rimi? Mana boshlanishda ham balandda turibdi, keyin bu yerda ham va oxirida muddat oxiriga kelib. Demak, aytishim mumkin more production than consumption. Demak, ishlab chiqarish iste'moldan ko'ra ko'proq bo'lgan. Keyingi key feature'im bo'lishi mumkin menda agar bitta qarasak o'zi bilinib turibdi, sugar production katta o'zgarishlar ko'rsatgan. Ya'ni tushgan, ko'tarilgan, yana tushgan, yana ko'tarilgan. Demak, noticeable changes o'zgarishlar in production ishlab chiqarishda. Lekin xuddi shu paytda bizda consumption more stable figure in consumption. Iste'molda ko'proq bizda barqaror natija bo'lyapti. More stable figure in consumption. Sababi consumption sekin ko'tarilgan, to'g'rimi? Va mana shu bizda overview uchun asosiy ma'lumotlar bo'lishi mumkin. Endi kelinglar overall'ni qo'shib yozaylik. Overall umumiy holatda there was an upward trend. Bu yerda o'sish bo'ldi. In both ikkala in both the figure for consumption and manufacturing of sugar shakarni. Whereas qayerdaki ammo biroq the manufacturing volume ishlab chiqarish darajasi exceeded manufacturing volume, or maybe the volume of manufacturing, the volume of manufacturing exceeded ustun keldi, baland keldi yoki ko'proq bo'ldi. Exceeded that of consumption. Okay, here during the period. Whereas the volume of manufacturing exceeds that of consumption for most of the period. Period bir xil bo'lib qoldi. Over the years. Muddat davomida, to'g'rimi? Yillar davomida. Demak, there was an upward trend. Bu yerda o'sish bo'ldi. In both the figure for in both the figure for both. Okay. Both menimcha mana bu yerda bo'lishi kerak edi. Both consumption and manufacturing of sugar over the years, whereas the volume of manufacturing, qayerdaki manufacturingni volume miqdori exceeded, ustun keldi, that of consumption, iste'moldagidan. For most of the period, muddatni ko'p qismiga, sababi doimo ustun bo'lmagan, ko'p qismida ustun bo'lgan. Xo'p, uni keyingisi notable changes in production, demak the production rate, ishlab chiqarish darajasi, demonstrated pronounced changes whilst the figure for consumption was relatively stable. The production rate, ishlab chiqarish darajasi, demonstrated pronounced changes, ancha sezilarli o'zgarishlarni ko'rsatdi. Whilst the figure for consumption, iste'moli natijasi esa, was relatively stable, ancha barqaror edi. Yoki the trend for. Demak, bizda tushunarli overallimiz. Endi birinchi badiyimiz. Birinchi badiyda albatta production, ishlab chiqarish darajasi bo'yicha yozaman. With regard to the manufacturing rate of sugar. With regard to the manufacturing rate of sugar, nearly 27,000 tons were produced in 2001. Deyarli 27,000 tonna were produced, ishlab chiqarilgan edi. 27,000 tons. Okay, 27,000 tons. I think were produced in 2001. 2001 yilda ishlab chiqarilgan edi. This figure, bu natija, was down, pasaygan edi. Was noticeably down. Ten thousand tons in 2005. Bu natija was noticeably down, sezilarli holatda pasaygan edi 10,000 tonnaga. Demak, the figure was noticeably down degani shuncha miqdorga pasaydi, ya'ni 10,000 tonnaga pasaydi. Bizda deyarli 17,000 ga tushgan, 27,000 dan, bu degani 17-27 orasida 10,000 tonna farq bor. Shu 10,000 tonnaga kamaydi deyapmiz. Bitta ko'p yozib olibman. In 2005, 2005 yilda, which qaysiki quickly recovered, tezda tiklanib oldi. In 2007, 2007 yilda, reaching peaking a figure which peaked at almost 34,000 tons. Hop, which qaysiki gapni relative clause bilan bog'lab ketyapman. Which quickly recovered, tezda tiklanib oldi. Tiklanib oldi degan ko'tarilib oldi. In 2007, 2007-yilda a figure which natija qaysiki peaked. Menimcha yaxshi gap mana shu. A figure which natija qaysiki peaked at almost 34,000 tons. Peak degan eng baland nuqtani ko'rsatdi. Peaked at almost 34,000 tons. Deyarli 34,000 tonnada. However, ammo biroq, there was a drastic drop to just above 20,000 tons until by 2009, which again showed a further increase to nearly 30,000 tons in 2011. However, ammo biroq, there was a drastic drop, reski tushish bo'ldi, to just above 20,000 tons, 20,000 tonnani tepasiga by 2009, 2009-yilgacha, which qaysiki again yana qayta showed a further increase, yana o'sish ko'rsatdi, further increase, deyarli 30,000 tonnaga 2011-yilda. 2011-yilda in comparison, solishtirganda, in comparison, the trend for consumption of sugar was comparatively, we don't need comparatively here, was stable. Yes, was stable. I can't really remember any word for stable. Let me stable synonymous, right? Synonymous. I can't really remember any synonym for stable. So steady, constant, unchanging, uniform, level. Okay, I think steady is the best one here. The trend for consumption of sugar was on a steady surge from 2001 to 2011. It started at approximately 21,000 tons, the result of which accounted for how many tons? Okay, I think it's not really 21, it's 22. Okay, 22,000 tons, the result of which natijasi accounted for 25,000 tons, 25,000 tonnaga in 2001, 2001-yilda. By 2011, 2011-yilgacha about 28,000 tons of okay. In 2011, about 28,000 tons of sugar was being consumed. Was being consumed. Was being consumed. So in comparison, solishtirganda consumptionni sugarda was on demak yaxshi gap strukturada bo'layman. Was on a steady surge, barqaror o'sishda bo'ldi 2001 dan 2011gacha. U boshladi taxminan 22,000 tonnada. The result of which qaysiniki natijasi 25,000 tonnaga tegishli bo'ldi 2007-yilda. 2011-yilda taxminan 28,000 tonna shakar was being consumed, iste'mol qilinayotgan edi in the country, davlatda. Hop, umumiy holatda nechta so'zimiz bor? Bu yerda 116 ta, 116 ga 69, 170, 185 ta. So we have 185 words. 185 ta so'z. Menimcha yaxshi chiqdi.